Magandang hapon po. Para po sa inyo. Happy graduation. I walked and dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer, where they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, this is where we're meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right below. Then unknown road to embrace my fate. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you, where 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, I will stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for hero's strength is measured by his heart. Like a shooting star, I can go the distance. I will search the world. I will face its harms. I don't care how far, and I can go the distance till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms. I will search the world. I will face its harms till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms. Salamat po.
Stop recording.